What's going on, guys? My name is Rajeev Kugan. Thanks for checking in. This review is going to be a bit different. I'm actually shooting with the product I'm going to be reviewing. I got a B-roll going over there just so that you guys can see what's happening. Pretty much is giving its pros and cons on whether this lens is compatible, is it portable, does it make sense to have an actual lens attachment to an actual smartphone. So what we have here is the Sandmarc wide-angle lens, an attachment type of lens, just like clip ones that you can buy off at Amazon. The difference is this is actually heavy duty. So what you get pretty much in the box is a case. Obviously it depends on what iPhone you use. They only support iPhones at this point. You get a case based on what phone you choose. And then you get a clip, obviously in the case that you want to quickly just attach this onto a different phone or just quickly use the camera and clip it on and off. Pretty impressive in terms of size and build quality and in terms of the glass feel itself. It's pretty heavy. This is very heavy. The main focus here is it worth it? Would you get it? Is it practical? And what are the different use cases? As you can see, this is one of the use cases. I'm actually using this as a vlogging device. And so far it's good. I did some test runs and that's actually the reason why I'm even using it as a medium to actually shoot this reviews. Now obviously there's moments and obviously there's the other competitors out there. It really comes down to, you know, the price points and as well as what you're trying to go for. This kind of delivers exactly what you need from a wide angle standpoint. Definitely I would say it actually goes on the level of what you would get from the higher end of glasses when it comes to lenses. This would not be compared to any of those things you get in Amazon, which it costs like about 30 or 40 bucks, where you get a bunch of different clips and a bunch of different small little lens attachments. And that's not what this is. This is actually a product made to use for photographers, for those Instagrammers, for those people that need quality on the go when you don't have your super camera. Right, so that's exactly what this is for. So I have this attached to my iPhone X. I'm actually recording this at 4K at 60 frames per second and just want to see the full quality of what this can actually produce. And so far with my test shots, so far with my test videos, it's been impressive. For those everyday wide angle shots, whether you're on vacation or whether you're actually doing some quick street photography, so far this has played its role perfectly fine. So if that's what you're into, this works well. As you can see in all these different shots, almost every single one came out perfectly well based on the lighting obviously and based on the angles, but it still got the job done. Okay, and then pro number 2, can it shoot video well? Now, we're doing it right now, so that's going to be the self-explanatory. Once you watch it, if you like what you see, then 100% yes, it can shoot video well. This is pretty much me testing out selfie video. I can finally see myself. So it works. It does actually look pretty awesome as well. You can actually see yourself. The quality is great and obviously the wide angle shots are pretty awesome. So yeah, if you don't mind having a clip and if you don't mind actually having this thing hang in a weird position, it can work. Even for a quick hacked video, it can probably work. The biggest thing when it comes to the quality, yes, the lens obviously does play a role, but it also comes down to the phone, right? I mean, if you attach this to a device that does not take great shots, then obviously you're probably not going to get great shots. Now, when it comes to cons, it's not necessarily about the lens, the quality of the lens or the actual output. It's more of the practicality around carrying this extra attachment on top of your phone and whether you would actually keep it on 24/7, because what's the point of you screwing it on and unscrewing it all the time? And that's where it loses its mark. And it's just not, it's not Sandmarc. I wouldn't say it's a Sandmarc lens. It's just be the overall smartphone photography market. When you're trying to use this kind of lens attachments, it loses its actual purpose because half the time you're going to take it off and then you forget about it, you don't want to put it back on, it becomes a nuisance, and then you probably don't even use it anymore. So that's where my problem is. If this was a little bit more of a thinner profile, I'd probably be more happier. Second con is you have a lens here and you have a lens cap. Tell me why I struggle half the time to put this on. I'm battling with it, pushing it hard as I can. Like, I'm trying right now. I'm not even pretending. Okay, it's tight though, which is good. I mean, it protects it most likely, but I don't know. That's just me being picky, but that's one of my problems. The other issue is my iPhone X actually has two lenses, okay? One is a telephoto and one is a regular one. We're using the regular one right now. Unfortunately, if I have this on, I can't use portrait mode. There goes portrait mode. So now I just lost the functionality on my device because this big guy is taking most of the space. So that's a huge no-no for me. It takes away one of the biggest selling points of this device, which is the iPhone X, that comes equipped with a beautiful portrait mode functionality. Yeah, there's compromises. Is it worth it? In my books, yeah. You know, I'm an avid photographer. When I'm on the streets and I don't have the opportunity to carry my camera around, I would quickly screw this on and take shots. But again, it's the portability that's getting to me. I can't put this in my pocket and walk around with it attached. Unless you're walking around like this, yeah, there's no other way to actually keep this, and if you need to have big pockets. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Am I recording? So if you've been following me on Instagram, you've probably been seeing me actively promoting this, pretty much using it, giving my full throttle. I've been testing in so many different ways just so that I can, you know, give an honest opinion. And I've also been saying on Instagram that I'm probably gonna do a giveaway. Yes, I am. All you gotta do is follow me on Instagram at Rajeev Kugan, and for bonus points, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. So everyone actually who's subscribed to this channel already is automatically entered to the contest. If you are already on my Instagram, vice versa, all you have to do is just go to each other platform and like or subscribe. That's pretty much it. Also, check out Sandmarc. Their YouTube channel is also in the description below. I'm going to be doing more giveaways, and this is just the beginning. This is one of them. Hope you like it. I'll see you guys next time.